Creating engaging videos shouldn't feel like you're directing a Hollywood blockbuster on a small creator budget. And that's exactly why today we're reviewing Mootion, a user-friendly AI video generator that turns your ideas into complete videos in just seconds. Let's dive in. Mootion is an AI-powered video generation tool that transforms text, ideas, images, and even audio into stunning share-ready videos. Whether you're a content creator, educator, or marketer, Mootion does the heavy lifting, planning your video structure, visuals, pacing, and even narration from just one prompt. Mootion is built for three groups who constantly need fast, engaging video content. Content creators who want to produce more without spending hours editing. Educators who need clear, structured learning videos. Marketers who require eye-catching content for campaigns, ads, and social media. If video creation is part of your workflow, Mootion instantly fits. Here's where Mootion becomes magical. You simply enter a prompt, anything from a topic idea to a full script, and the platform automatically generates a complete video story. No timeline editing, no manually building scenes, no complex tools. The AI handles everything: structure, pacing, visuals, narration, and transitions. You can even watch the entire process through their visualized logic flow, which shows in real time how the AI is planning your video. It's like watching the creative process unfold inside the tool. Already have content lying around? Mootion gives that content a second life. You can turn text, blog posts, scripts, images, audio files into high-quality videos with zero stress. This makes it perfect for repurposing. Your podcast becomes a video. Your blog becomes social content. Your lecture becomes an animated education module. It saves hours, sometimes days, of manual editing. Not sure how your video should look? Mootion offers pre-designed templates tailored for social media content, educational videos, marketing campaigns, storytelling formats, and more. Just pick a template, drop your content or prompt, and watch the AI shape everything automatically. You stay focused on the idea. Mootion handles the design. This is where Mootion sets itself apart from tools like Powtoon and Descript. Mootion uses advanced AI to generate dynamic, professionally animated content from a single instruction. You can create animated characters, character movements, smooth transitions, scene changes, all without touching complicated editing software. Just describe what you want. One of Mootion's strongest benefits is speed. If you're constantly producing videos for courses, social media, ads, or branding, this tool is a lifesaver. Instead of creating new content from scratch every time, you can repurpose what you already have and instantly turn it into fresh video material. Mootion positions itself as a smart alternative to Descript and Powtoon. Compared to these tools, Mootion feels more automated, more intuitive, and far faster at creating complete video stories from a single prompt. If you want less manual editing and more auto-generation, Mootion stands out. So is Mootion worth it? If you're a creator, educator, or marketer who wants fast, professional, and highly animated videos without technical headaches, absolutely. It's simple, intuitive, and powerful enough to replace multiple video tools in your workflow. Mootion lets you focus purely on ideas and puts everything else in motion. Thanks for watching. If you want more reviews on AI tools like Mootion, be sure to like, subscribe, and drop your questions in the comments. See you in the next video.